Hi, so let's continue, alright, from the last video. Now, besides the exceptions, if there are no other exceptions, you can actually add a statement, okay, that says else. Else, for example, no error. Okay, so this else means if there are no exceptions, it means all the above exceptions are not triggered, then you execute the else. Alright, so if I run it now, again it executes the general error because of a undeclared or undefined variable. So if I change this back now and I change b to 1, so there is no error in the code. So when I run, it will execute the code successfully and it will say no error and then continue. Okay, so this is another way of extending it. So you try the code, you put in all the possible exceptions, and then if there are no exceptions, then you say else. Okay, now you can also have one more keyword here called finally. Okay, right, okay, solve. Okay, so now let's introduce an error, okay, and see what happens. So if I run this, okay, you can see that it now prints out the zero division error and finally. Finally is basically another block that will be executed, alright, okay, together with the error message. Okay, what if there is no error? If there's no error, then you print out the else and then you still say finally. Okay, so the finally is just an additional printout, okay, at the end of the try except else block. Okay, it is not necessary, okay, it is just an optional block if you want to still print something, okay, regardless of whether there is error or no error. Okay, so this finally will always be printed as part of the try except block, okay, regardless of whether there is error, exception, or there is no exception. Okay, so this is one other way in which you can enhance the try except block. Okay, so in summary, all right, this try except framework gives us the option of writing code, testing it, all right, and giving us an option to be aware of the error while allowing the rest of the code to execute. All right, so thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.